Do you guys have tree frogs there? What do you think, Moose? Oh, jeez. I don't mean to laugh. Well, we hear the gunshots around here too, but it's all the hunters doing target practice. We're in the country. Yeah, thanks for the reminder, Gojo. Everybody hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Moose is dealing with a little bit of a limp. He's had a twisted up paw. He was playing a little rough with Raven maybe a week or so ago, and he keeps on re-injuring himself. So we're not letting Moose and Raven outside together because they play so rough. So Raven's inside the house right now. She got to come out earlier. Now it's Moose's turn. $29. Well, keep up the good work. Just post lots of videos, and the subscribers will come. That's the only recommendation I have. Yeah, I'll give you a subscribe. Yeah, he's sniffing. Something smells good. Gojo, I'll get you after the stream's over. Hey Daisy, how you doing? Say hi, Moose. Good boy. Derek, yeah. Sniffing everything. Yeah, he's still walking with a little bit of a limp. He keeps getting better and then doing zoomies with Raven inside the house, and then he kind of re-hurts it. The vet said to keep him off his feet for 2 weeks, but that's pretty darn hard, so we're making sure they don't wrestle too much. Thanks, Satoru. Yeah, I think he's slowly getting better. Before he did zoomies with Raven, he wasn't limping at all. Man, those tree frogs are loud. They're right up above me. Moose just loves to run around so much, so it's hard to keep him off his paws. You say hi, buddy? Thanks for the likes, everybody. Hit that thumbs up button. We smell Moose.